elderly woman and her daughter-in-law caused drama in a Machakos court when they abandoned 5 children in court, protesting delayed judgment in a land dispute that has dragged for 34 years. The women claimed that a ruling on the case was to be made on April 5th, 2018, but the occupant of the land had appealed.
At the Machakos court, Mbwele Mwoki sat quietly with her daughter-in-law and children. A cool, calm and collected Mbwele was hopeful that a solution to a land dispute that has dragged for 34 years will come to an end. As soon as the trial judge Eric Angote mentioned the next date, Mbwele suddenly stood up in court to protest. The angry women told off the judge and accused him of tormenting and causing them untold suffering. Angered by this development, Mbwele and her daughter-in-law walked out of the courtroom, leaving 5 children behind them. After the court session, people dispersed. And the children, one of whom was 7 months old, were left alone on the cold floor. Mbwele claims this 11.3-hectare piece of land located in Kaseve village near Watertown in Makueni County was allegedly sold at a cost of 29,000 shillings to an influential son of a former chief, Mutie Kioko, in 1984 by her stepson, Muli Mwoki, who disappeared and has never been seen since then. In 5th April 2018, the court had ruled that Mbwele is the rightful owner of the land and ordered for the eviction of the unlawful occupant, but he moved to court to block the eviction. In 2009, a certificate of confirmation of grant issued by Justice Isaac Leanola at Machakos High Court shows that Mbwele Mwoki and Dennis Mwoki were given a grant of representation to the estate of the late Mwoki Mwasia. Another ruling delivered in 2010 by the Environment and Land Court in Machakos indicates that Mutie Kioko, the defendant, purchased the piece of land from strangers and not from the lawful owner, Mwoki Mwasia, the deceased, and that he should claim a refund of his money from those who received it. Justice Angote told the advocates that the case is very old and once he gives a date, there will be no further adjournments. After cooling down tempers, Mbwele and her daughter-in-law later took the children and went home, hoping that justice will soon prevail. Rozongoi, NTV.